Ethereum is ready to test a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video.
We are 10 members away from 200 members in our Telegram channel. For those of you that are interested in keeping up to date with market updates as well as my charts, make sure to check out the link in the bio.
Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we have broken above a very key resistance point here at 1680. This level, of course, acted as a strong resistance. You can see that we saw 3 test confirmations, and now this level has switched to a support level. Old resistance becomes new support, and that's exactly what we want to see in terms for our main target here at 1787. For those of you that were in the Telegram as well as those that were in the live session the other day, you guys know I'm not looking to short Ethereum until we test this level. Just like Bitcoin at 25.2, these levels are major daily resistance points, and it's much better to be entering at those highs in comparison to right now, hoping for the fact that you catch the local top opportunities. Even here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the fact that the exponential moving averages are continuing to push higher, and as well as the fact that we're still using these levels as support, which is exactly what we want to see when we are on an uptrend, and we don't really have that BART formation that we usually see on Ethereum. This, of course, would have been invalidated if we did just see a straight move to the upside and then the consolidation, but you can see that as soon as we broke above 1658, we had a very nice correction over on Friday, and now we are continuing to trade above. Of course, with the weekend volume and the manipulation that we are about to see, this is obviously going to be a very difficult level to trade, so I would recommend waiting until we test the 1787 before you start looking for those shorting opportunities. You can see in terms of RSI, we are heading into the overbought zone, which of course would line in the fact of the 1787 level being tested as well. And if you see here, even on the hourly time frame, we are now on the third test opportunity on this resistance here in the midterm time frame. The 1717 level, of course, is looking for a possible rejection, but the fact that this is the third test, this is exactly what I point out, to pay attention to the lower time frames, because these can tell you whether or not the moves are going to be a fake out or a massive breakout opportunity. Now, the only dangerous thing, of course, is the fact that on the 1-hour time frame, we do have a BART formation at play. Of course, this would become valid any break below 1658, and we can see that continuation, but right now all eyes remain at 1787 because of the fact that this looks more of an uptrend to me than it does in terms of a BART formation. The reason why is you can see the fact that every time we have a nice breakout opportunity on major resistance, we tend to consolidate, create a new high, consolidate, create a new high. Usually BART formations pretty much start from here and they pretty much go straight up. We have a consolidation and then another, and then we have the continuation, and those tend to be a lot longer of a consolidation zone before that continuation. This moveset, of course, is completely different, but ideally if we do end up breaking 1658 on the lower time frames, then we have that possibility at play. I already mentioned the fact that in terms of the 4-hour time frames, we don't really have that BART formation, so this is one of those opportunities for those of you that only trade the hourly time frame. This is why I always tell you to look at other time frames before entering a trade. You can see the 4-hour time frame looks extremely bullish, as well as even the daily time frame. We can see from previous price analysis, this is the exact same point as we are here, where we saw that breakout opportunity, saw a very nice wick to around the 1744, and then the final test opportunity. You can see even before that, we did the same sort of moveset, and we retested that resistance before we had that moveset towards the downside. This is why I'm emphasizing so much on this 1787 level to be waiting until we retest that level. Once we see that retest opportunity, of course, from a bullish case scenario in terms of continuation, any clean break above 1787, and ladies and gentlemen, Ethereum will go absolutely parabolic. Of course, there's going to be a ton of shorting positions that are going to be opened here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we did end up seeing a short squeeze over into the $2,000 range, and then a possible fake out, grab all the liquidity and the bullish case, everyone turns bullish, and then we turn for that massive correction. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.